welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. BJP MLA Khuborjylla endorses Dr. Fenella Lungdo for Shillong parliamentary seat. Government reveals diverse beneficiaries of area distribution. Illegal coal trade. Hito meets Mineral Resources Director. And Catholic faith flourishes in Nongklau village amidst sacred gathering. And now the news in detail. In a significant development, BJP MLA from South Shillong constituency, Khuborjylla, along with party supporters, submitted a written plea to BJP State President Rikmanji Momen. The letter, presented on February 27th, advocates for Dr. Fenella Lungdo as the ideal candidate for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in 2024. Shillong, addressing the media, highlighted the thorough consideration and consensus reached among supporters, affirming Dr. Fenella's suitability for the parliamentary race. The endorsement underscores a strategic move within the BJP ranks as preparations intensify for the electoral battle ahead.
I told him, so he said what to do. I have already given my application. So it depends on the need. So I told him, oh, okay, this we will meet. So I'll try to convince him to withdraw. And by also I'm going today to request him also to send a letter of support to Dr. Fenella like I have given. Then only by working together, my appeal that we have to, it should be our collective responsibility. We'll work, we can pass together, we'll go and spend our time to meet our candidate, win the election. And once the BJP candidate wins, it means the win of each and every youth, both male, female, boys, girls, and to all the people of Khasinews region, they'll be benefited. They should give BJP a chance. 5 years, you just watch and see. Give a chance and watch and see what is the development, what is the interest you'll be getting by by electing the BJP candidate for the Lok Sabha. Dr. Fenella I statement should be press, but for no doubt, Dr. Fenella he job kum MP. Berarti hangtay ka ng sorkar BJP kanya sa ngiru niya lilang man yakran gini issues ka bengi yakran na kapor ito penelaru ilara abun ki issues kibrang sa ateng ilakan si press bagi media kanlong ka golden opportunity kakabuk share ya ki Peit kasi jantia daki jet ka BJP krang ba kini ki issues mo kini ki jingdawa ki blaslen ki blas akut kemudian suk bahaya Dr. Fenella kam tambi dei long ko bi ban iradon me hapo Delhi temut lala ke ben pedolong itaki ke boro tehlan bi pa ba degi we ko belai ko kongres sansdem leu long MP tham yo ji mun to itu issues ke bagi pajba ke NGOs ke dawa ki sakut sansdem sipo sansdem te ladam pimpa hi de ke BJP pipa di gue Nagi kandidat itu kan bam soat kumju isan sedem sekendong po parlimen. Kadau jet be BJP ini olong minister ang tay nora ada.
During the assembly session on February 27th, Arden Miller Basayomaj VPP leader pressed Revenue Minister Khuborjylla for details on area distribution beneficiaries. Shilla disclosed 2,426 areas allocated to various entities spanning religious organizations, NGOs, residential purposes, and trading ventures. The revelation stirred discussions on equitable resource allocation. Notable attendees included opposition MLA and key representatives.
Persons. I don't have the details, sir. I require notice for this.
Pardon, please. Your last question, I think.
No,
already 4.
Just cost 3.
No, 4. Already 4.
Please, sir.
Last one.
Okay, sir. I have, because I just wanted to, this is not a question, a clarification on the reply of the minister, sir. Because in the course of his reply, when I asked about the rate, he's mentioned about encroached land. Encroached land and the rate of those encroached land. But what I want exactly is the lease, the rate of lease of these revenue lands, sir. A very simple question, sir. Before I ask my last question, sir.
Sir, the rate of lease as of now, I don't have it with me, so I misplaced it, so I require notice for this.
So my last question is the rule allow construction of permanent buildings on such government lands, sir?
Pardon, sir?
Is the rule allow for construction of permanent building on government lands, such government lands?
Yes, sir, it's allowed to...
By the lessee.
Yes, it's allowed, sir, to construct building, permanent building.
Kaplan, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Revenue, what group of people are entitled to get their revenue now?
There's no group of people, organization, you mean, sir? Any organization, recognized organizations.
No, any group of people, individual or organization?
Yes, sir. Individuals also are entitled, even organizations also are entitled, sir.
No, what type of people, sir?
They should belong to the state of Meghalaya, and they should belong to the, should be of Indian, they should be, sir.
So, one more question, sir. How much of land has been allocated as revenue land is available in the state?
Sir, the total area allotted to lessee, included government department, is 372.9468 hectares approximately, sir. And the total area available in the government land or revenue plot in Shillong is 381.9468 hectares, sir.
Charles, please.
So regarding the transfer of land by way of transfer or lease, a particular rate is fixed by the Deputy Commissioner Revenue. So may I know, sir, when was the last revision made to ascertain the rate of land as a rate to be paid by the lessee for transfer or lease? When was the last revision made by the Deputy Commissioner Revenue?
I don't have the detail with me, sir, but the revenue collected, I do have the list, but the date for that, I don't have it, sir, as of now. I require notice.
Sir, Honorable Minister doesn't have the reply now. The reason I raised this, sir, is because as of today, there may be transfers being made legally through the department, but the rates which are applicable are almost 10, 15 years old. So thereby, if we revise the rates on a continuous basis, what happens is a fair price is maintained, and even the revenue of the state also improves. Therefore, I would request the Honourable Minister to kindly look into this matter so that when rates are fixed, it is in consonance with the present fair market price.
Yes, sir, point noted.
The Hnyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, convened with Pius D. Sama, Director of Mineral Resources, on February 27th to address concerns over fraudulent coal transactions. HITO uncovered a scheme where coal smugglers exploit falsified challans and counterfeit truck number plates, some even using scooty plates. Sama assured HITO of strict adherence to challan regulations and pledged to investigate perpetrators utilizing false documents at checkpoints. He urged HITO to promptly report any suspicious activity to authorities. The meeting signifies collaborative efforts to combat illicit coal trade, emphasizing the importance of vigilance and cooperation between stakeholders.
Tama klem don klem saile klem don sili ba tinggal ong ban ayu dalam kum kanika incident di ban ya chubit sa kipulit lane di ban ai FIR na mador ditambah gitu ki ong ki klem lap ya briu tinggal ong la dalam kum kanika incident akan nunggu persawan ya tu insertion ya kan nunggu action akan kum ka kendon jong ka ai tinggal su la clarify kata-kata dur
Zaman itu kan kejing om ba.
Chalan thinking ngingim je ndon ba authorized ban shna yeno ban ayu ba ngam ban shna fake chalan mingkai ka bangi shna ba tingi shna ya ka chalan katkum ka feature bala ai lai daka sarkar tingi kentup ya ki feature baru aga chalan jumi nang tangi don ka QR code, nang tangi enter ya ka details jong ka vehicles, teng sign bate daki officer apo office aga chalante, nang tangi don ru ka apo check it ni don kata commission, pangiu handheld device, te kata ka handheld device kansa detect lata don kanu ka fake chalan ba penyat rakyat tu kikin scan rapor pa kia scan ya ka chalan kin tip ke the fake ne ke the genuine ne te ki claim la ban transport kanu ke mineral selani ka doyong lengpa ke fake chalan ni don tha ki exit but entry point kum hamne amne riboy ni don ga umling di marchekit ni don ha bors amne namot ayu akan ka ha iska silsi ka dauki ni don ha rata chera ni don ha safai te shagaruls ni don daina dubi gawe sa ka gasyo para nang dalu kita agar wils sora bagli borsora but ceragau but bagli kini kita ki dia marchekit benidon nang em kumbapau mentat hatu mentat ngi patla para bayai ki fake chalan lata ton kanu ka information baton fake chalan bakira chalan ba fake dingi ngal ala ong yakiban inform bit saka je mat sekit concern lale wat hangi ru pengilaban beta yaki officer jongi bakin le yak bedon kam tamli ban file FIR lada detect any illegal transportation
Hadu mentam padan bawan ujur
paton hadu mentam ni patla
tangka segitu bawan.
Oh tang itu ki bawan tang tu ki klem da don ki ong ki klem lap yo briu tena kata kalau tersang bang buat evidence kenapa milaban sim ya action dekat pun ke jinton kan katum ke ai ngam laban immediately ya tu ya pi ngam don ka record kumpa ke kan simpor yang akan lata pi don kam na laban ai hadit kan ka revenue bangila collect but kat nungi expect ban collect
Pakat taging ong ipin nandu meneng ong baka kani ka chalan encounter rekap tu kat ni kena upar ba kidon kitrok pilai hadian berbla lagi ni duyong te let's say kidon hirup ki bak syuat tu ne te syu yeng kai sa srok ki kili den pi kit yo kit mat ong pia don chalan yong dan dala ong ai masin ai maki ki start kali wot ki pet tendala check per lap kan ni tendala lap kan ni te ngingim dei kita expert nomor man ko por ko sa ko por PCI ba la dengi yo ban bat kita ki kali duyong upulit uong ben ba ke complaints ke DMR ong i ke DMR ban ai affair ta ka daw ngi wo ngawan ni hakmat jong director ban pensung we kan ni ba kan ni ka dei ka bathok na ka pisha ta hoi ukubor wang ba kan ni ka dei ka fake tena ka leng jong ki kumba uru ong kumju hi men ne kumba ki na ka por kumba pi ong ma pi ba ai hopulit hendrei nging la tip sai ba ngindal ai upulit undinai be kan ni bat ong be ba ka dei ka kamram DMR ta ka daw ngi wan haku to i chim khe ka kam DMR ri haba maki te ka ba dei ki ba authorize kan ni but ngila I suggestion through yaki ba kham tam haba yedei ba tu do yong mo tu ba ki ong tau saulak tam uban wan na po nagalan you tu do yong ru ngila yakran hang ni ba ki ong ki application ba kan college kan David na government ta du man ta haba ngi keling ong la kan noton ula de chalan yu tau do yong na po nagalan ki ong phat chalan hadu watang ston ru
kecalan kadai jong kana government of Nagaland Department of Mining and Jewelry Nagaland but kichu pun kam tang usurok jong Meghalaya ban export ini udah yang support Bangladesh pori Bangladesh tiki don kam approval jong state government leng ba ka tenat mining and geology ti hajing de bekani ku de yang bawan po Nagaland Nagaland jong director ulang ba ki paperwork under process but haduk menta ya utu de yang ba saulak san hajar ton dikimut ban export Bangladesh leng ba ka South Garu Hills haduk menta 4 calan eu namar ki formalities 4 dem ti kin ab tat handuk dade ki formalities kin verify shwa ki documents hatu kita ki documents bawan na po ki chalan na po Nagaland kilong eligible ne em kilong qualify ne pet ke criteria jong mining and geology jong sarkar jala Meghalaya tat tanghang ta kinsa sign kinsa authorize kinsa verify ba kinsa elat ya kini udah yang bawan na po Nagaland ban yai lang ba usurok jong ka jala Meghalaya ban export yun udang siya po ri Bangladesh
jor hi bamenta kasi kadai long kumnya ki bon ngut kini ki samla ki jongi ki bom don jam ki brang sang menteri ki pa ya don ya kata mo ki bashim da don kuma shpo ka sanlat ban yo kon yu noi u ban yo kata auction jong ni u do yong ta hadien ba ki la yo te ki la dep sewi kata royalty ki tax kini kata te hadien nang tu pa ki ong ban dala poi hang ne ban pan ni kata ke NOC u director nang kalian jong umtre ban sai kat kum ka jing kano kata kristi bagi wan kita ki katto kan ningot kinong khayi tangi par ki bas mukhya ban nomor bengi kum ki khon samla o ki don sha ki bashim da karam da kalon tang bun ta ban im ye ga jakpo hendrei ban haban siu pad ya kata ka bamrung chapo state kata ka revenue mo kata ka bisa ka balong outsource ka bahaban sign de kita ki high level ki ba shudong tang ki high authority ki kabadika black money ta kabam don kot kisla ban hand over ta kum kata ngi sungkhya ngi lawan hang ni kana kaliang jong u pat dinai be ya kata ka alej lene kata ka jing keno da ki keno tanga kan tui gitu ki kon samla ki badon ya kata ka ba kila deble kata tax ni kata lej khamat jong u pan ki jing shan na mar hangi ukran dok mei yo le se un palai no ne si pisia tang kata habiya de bekane ka fake chalan ta daw ngoi famous ni yo hapo kti jungi ngi lek kli bet no director ngi ong bet kani de pa phasna ma phi tana kaliang jong u phila ro mani kli u menta u wong bet em ngi lem phasna ma ngi ta nga ong u haba phim sna ta ka ei pat ka nakaliang ko jong phi ka ba phin le tu ong kin sa buddian bat kin sa pha inquiry pan buddian ban lap ji kin ne bat nang ni se khamar lada don kinu ki chalan ki ba isan khamat kila bni kan director le nei ki staff jong di amat khanang ban pinsakhi ba kadai sha ka chalan ka ba sha pat kanu ko ba
In the tranquil setting of Nongklau village, nestled within the serene embrace of Rangblang Parish, the sacred event of faith unfolded with grace and reverence from the 24th to 25th of February 2024. Under the guiding theme of Kanongrim Jongka Jinget Catholic, the spirit of Catholicism flourished. Amidst the gentle drizzle, a devout gathering convened for the holy occasion, graced by the presence of esteemed leaders including Mr. Kansa Yaupnyao, the Reverend President of Seng Rangba Nongstoin Diocese, alongside fellow diocesan dignitaries, sisters and a good numbers of the faithful. On the Blessed Sunday, amidst the celestial hymns and whispered prayers, the Reverend Holy Mass was solemnly administered by Father Edmund Lakra, the esteemed parish priest, accompanied by the assistant parish priest, Father Jeffrey Kharkangor. Following the sacred rites, a poignant moment of recognition was bestowed upon Mr. Charles Palyar and Elizabeth Shangrit, the exemplary couple who nurtured the seeds of Catholic faith amidst a community predominantly of Presbyterian and Balang Ublay. As the sun gently arced across the heavens, nurturing both body and soul, the faithful congregated for a spiritually enriching course of Jesus, the bread of life, graciously imparted by Mr. Kansai Yauknyao. The air was imbued with the solemnity of benediction, drawing forth the devout hearts in humble adoration. In the hallowed embrace of faith, a multitude of faithful souls bore witness to the profound love and unwavering devotion, illuminating Nongklao village with the radiant light of Catholicism.
Teaching the way. Lingba ka gospel, utrai Jesu, ukot yemi
Eutung Lazarus tomino na lumjingta. Lazarus basmau tum imbiang umi na lumjingta. Yang tu kun bamarwe jong kekentai hanan, balama ha ka krong bangnet bang takno baulaya. Jesu pensange wong tu kena. Ko kun to yang tu kena wa imbiang. Ya ke kunjung Jairus kabalayat kebalayam untuk Jesu rum to kamrah wong ko kun to kina kato ka kena ka India ka aryang ka pankewin nya kato ka duriau Galilea ba kisendang ka ting to ka takta Jesu ang to jajai ka jajai kiba malla Jesu ang to pe kira pe kiba keluar wong toyos ngau kira yos ngau kiba menang kira wong to pli to kira no kira kira Shikanti na ukalong. Ikaju. Habawang kani kalong ka medjona. Kalong sisya akunta. Habawang kani kalong ka samjona. Kalong sisya akunta. Nama ulong ubalay. Ubala berpenong yung eke barok. Takabawang tolong. Habaw tawi kapatay ka malayong tolong ka jinsya. Lalong. Tolong ka sini. Topan ekran ka jinsya ba ka jindun. Lalong ki eke baro. Dia bawang kani kalong ka medjona. Tukik pa kalong sisya kunta. Umkan kaya. Abawang kani kalong ka samjona. Tukik pa kalong sisya kunta. Umkan kaya. Nama mau penjanay. Ya ka ay keberadakan. Daki pata menjuu. Ki Israel. Pateng na duhanday. Ha katu. Ka pasi kebabon kita. Hindi ka pa katu.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.